Okay, today we are going to be unboxing the MTN 4G broadband premium. They have the standard one, but I decided to get the premium because the download speed and the upload speed on this premium MTN broadband is actually more higher than the standard one. So let's get into it. Now, I already opened this and tested it. That's why the box is open. So right here is the broadband, okay? So because of this black space, that is why it's called the premium one. The standard one is just white right here, okay? So you look at the back, what we have right here is the space for the antenna. This is where you click the antenna. I'm going to be showing you later. So right here is where you plug the power bank. Right here is the internet cable. And right here, I don't know what it is, okay? So I already fixed up this. This is the stand. This is what you usually stand it with. You can check, and this is what you stand it with, okay? So I already plugged it. Right here, you have the SIM card slot. So I can show you the SIM card slot. I already have a SIM card inside of it, so it's supposed to be full, okay? So you plug it right here, and you clip it, and here we go, okay? So this is apart. You see the charger, okay? The charger is for the power bank. I'm going to show you guys later, okay? Now we have the internet cable, okay? This is the internet cable. So the internet cable is right here, and here is where you plug the internet cable inside of this place. Here is where you plug the internet cable inside of this place, okay? And these have to go into the laptop, all right? So your laptop have to have the space for the internet cable to work. Now, here we have the power bank. You can see what it is, and the power bank is on, it's off. You can see the green light. So when you are charging it, there should be a double light here, double green light. And this green light showing here means that the power bank is charged, okay? So one messed up about this power bank is that it doesn't show when it fulls. I don't know, man. So I just got mine today. Now, whenever it's low, it starts showing red light, okay? You use the power bank and you plug it right here, and you will have a light here, a light indicator here, showing that your router is on, okay? So I'm going to unplug this for a moment and keep it right here. Now we have the antenna, okay? Here is the antenna. The antenna is what you fix right here. You fix it right here. You take this one, you fix it right here, okay? You fix this right here, and that is basically it. Now, this is your antenna, or you can turn this on, and here is your antenna. You can go this way, and you can go this way. You see how that is? And go this way and go this way. And you can get network with this, right? So nothing else is in the carton. This is the MTN, guidelines and all that stuff. Here is the manual for the ZLT S50 user manual. So right here we have the manual. So everything is basically fine and okay right here. You can read the manual to know how to set this up. But I'm going to make a different video showing you how to connect it to your internet, because you really have to connect this to the internet before it starts working, okay? And that is where the real problem is. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell so you get notified when I drop that video. I'm going to make it next, okay? So you really know how to do it. Now I'm going to do the speed test of this MTN 4G premium broadband, okay? For you to see what the download speed and upload speed really looks like. So all these things right here is the information you need to log in this broadband and activate it, okay? So that's all we have here. This is the SIM card, and this is the IME numbers and the model numbers. So there's nothing much here. This charger is going to be charging the power bank, okay? See what you do with the charger. You plug in the charger right here, okay? Charges the power bank. Now, this is great. That's all we have right here. And when it's charging, like I told you, there'll be two lights here, and you have to switch it on. Now it's off. So you have to switch it on to know if it's charging or not. So that's great. That's all we have inside of this place. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for you to know more about the whole thing. I'm going to show you how to connect it and how to activate it and start using it. Trust me, This is very, very good.